Meeting over border land issue held in Bokakhat. Heroin recovered from a night super bus. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in details. On Friday, a meeting was held in the office of Bokakhat Civil SDO to discuss about a land dispute issue in the Karbi Anglong and Golaghat district border in the Keding Crow village area. Revenue officials from both the districts were invited to the meeting. In a follow-up action initiated by the district authorities, a meeting was called to discuss over the issue of the disputed land in Keding Crow village under Karbi Anglong, where the people of Golaghat district have been making attempt to take possession over the land and build houses. The meeting was attended from Karbi Anglong side by SDO Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Joint Secretary Tensing Rongpi, ARO SK and Daithor Police Station OC Pratap Senar. Residents of Keding Crow village also took the initiative to reach to the place and hear the proceedings of the meeting. From Golaghat district, Bokakhat SDO, SDPO, magistrate, members of Adivasi students and Borsapuri Tea Estate Manager Joshi were present in the discussion. The tea members of the tea tribe have strongly demanded that all those areas included under tea gardens of Golaghat, which are demarcated by the pillars erected long time back, should go to Golaghat. To this, none of the officials from Karbi Anglong could give any reply. However, Keding Crow villager and a prima facie of all the illegal encroachment in the border area, Sar Imkro, raised his voice and demanded an immediate joint survey in the border areas. He also demanded that the authorities should provide security to Keding Crow villagers until the issue is resolved. According to sources, Bokakhat administrative body had assured to give protection to the villagers. However, it was surprising to note that although the Adivasi students were invited in a meeting, none of the Karbi students as well as social organization was called in a meeting. It was OC Pratap Senar who informed Keding Crow villagers about a meeting, or else no public from Karbi Anglong would have known about it. While the Adivasi students who were present in large numbers could raise their voices demanding land from Karbi Anglong to be surrendered to Golaghat, only 4 villagers of the Keding Crow villagers present in a meeting. Sar Imkro told reporters that many villagers were willing to come to the meeting, but transportation issue did not allow them. He also told that each family of the village contributed Rs 20 to 50 to send 4 representatives from their village. Following this, the villagers have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council officials to take into consideration the views of the social bodies as they are stakeholders in resolving the issue. Our Jason Rongpar's report from Delamara, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another success for the Karbi Anglong police, a huge quantity of heroin was recovered from a night super bus on Thursday night. Here is a report sent to us by our correspondent. During a Naka checking conducted by the personnel of Khatkati police station on Thursday night, they stopped a Dimapur to Guwahati bound night super bus at around 7 p.m. While conducting thorough checking of the bus, the police recovered huge quantity of ganja. Police said that the total weight of the ganja would be at least 30 kgs. The ganja was kept inside 2 bags. However, police were unable to identify the peddler who was supplying the substance. The driver of the Lucky Night Super Bus was taken into custody for interrogation into the matter. The whole operation was carried out under the supervision of SDPO John Das, OC Khatkati Moblik Brahma, and CI Borpathar. It is surprising to note that even after repeated seizure of the smuggled drugs, the smugglers are still actively trying to carry on with the work to earn easy money. This was the second seizure which took place in this week. Before that, the Manja police also seized such narcotic substance being smuggled with the help of goods delivery truck. The Karbi Anglong police have been putting out commendable work and are making all efforts to make sure that there are no escape routes for the smugglers by putting out strong checks on both the NH36 and Asian Highway 1. Anand Teras report from Bokachan, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Humridam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akularalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachiumapi kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akularalong kedam japhan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akularalong pen kethon ke banabar sai sitami long ikji Lasi Humridam ikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim lake Dipu Ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adum.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. The PHE quarters at Koilamati under the 25 Nilip MSC constituency has been lying neglected for 28 years and is now on the verge of complete ruin. Locals allege that concerned department has failed to take any maintenance works to prevent its damages. With the aim of providing safe drinking water to the villagers of Koilamati area, PHE schemes were established in several parts of Karbi Anglong. The three villages covered by Koilamati PHE are Joyram Ingti village, Dhoniram Ingti village and Vopong Asar village. According to Koilamati PHE staff Thanuram Kiling, there are about 70 families which were supposed to be covered by this PHE scheme. He also informed that drinking water is still a very big problem in the area. However, the lack of attention of the concerned department and dereliction of duties by its staff has contributed towards its ultimate demise. The roof, wall, ceiling, toilet and boundary wall of this PHE quarter have now been completely damaged. Koilamati PHE staff Thanuram Kiling and local people of the three villages have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take up repair work at the earliest and revive the PHE services in the area. Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Moving ahead in the work of strengthening the party ahead of the assembly elections, the BJP held a meeting under Phuloni constituency at Salawar Langteng Playground. The meeting held on Friday was chaired by Bonghomthari Booth Committee Secretary Bidor Singh Ronghang. Altogether, 92 youths coming from different political parties have joined the Saffron Party during the meeting. The meeting was attended by the district's top BJP leaders including Phuloni MAC Dor Singh Ronghang, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Agriculture EM Amar Singh Tiso, Social Worker Konglong Kro, SGB Dhon Singh Ronghang, Mohila Morcha Secretary Sabita Ronghang P, Social Worker Sabi Teron P and many others.
So, kamalong bangke ilitum election hello akithenaya kamlo. Chutuki chupejo ya phan inglong rit ke claim thoi rit ke claim atum sitame chisik chidang nangko sonda taxi election nang lelu pulutante det kacari labang so ajakong komatari deng si PCB jima labang so puthak bangke kamatha anutin korte ingir duta kenang so teng pensi pini langteng abujar long Papihu pujinar dum jipulo seta nang dum kamatha bangke ingcho piglo.
MAC Dor Singh Ronghang stated if BJP is voted back to power, then the party will move ahead to provide developmental works to Salawar Langteng area. He promised to make good road and provide house to the poor, while EM Amar Singh Tiso promised to provide saplings of betel nut and black pepper through his department. He also urged the people to form farmer interest group to avail several benefit of schemes undertaken by the Agriculture Department.
Bini program ki be putha ke Ladakh Yudatum 72 or 92 labangso Yudatum akaprek aparti pen bini BJP lo nang ta ogdu ate BJP sarkar wangder pen apike Karbi Anglong kadok awi sitame pinangan kacing thur kadok awi dolo la pen kiduk ke lak arata phansi BJP tunge kaike da kardapi la pen kiduk ke lak atum phan kaike ma koson si jakom ke longwe rima lahaya kam kadok we ke claim pinon
Dirjana Rongpis report from Langhen Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.